Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. The title says it all. How to withdraw Chainlink from Arculus Wallet to Kucoin in 2025. If you're looking to move your Chainlink tokens smoothly and securely, this guide is tailored just for you. Why bother? Well, Kucoin offers great trading options, and sometimes you need to transfer assets for better opportunities or to cash out. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need your Arculus wallet set up with Chainlink tokens, a verified Kucoin account, and a bit of patience since crypto transactions aren't instant. Always double-check your wallet balances and ensure you're on a secure network to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Open your Arculus wallet app on your device. Log in securely using your PIN or biometrics. Once inside, navigate to your Chainlink holdings. Look for the Send or Withdraw option. It's usually right there in the main dashboard. Step 2. Select Chainlink from your list of assets. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees if applicable. Now, you need the Kucoin deposit address. Head over to your Kucoin account in a new tab or window. Go to the Assets section, find Chainlink, link, and click on Deposit. Copy that deposit address carefully. It's a long string, so no typos allowed. Paste the Kucoin address into the Recipient Address field in your Arculus wallet. Double-check everything. The address, the amount, and the network. Make sure it's the correct one for Chainlink, like Ethereum. Hit Confirm and approve the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt, so review it one last time. After that, sit tight. Transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Kucoin account to see if the Chainlink has arrived. If it doesn't show up, don't panic. Just verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer. A quick tip. Always use hardware wallets like Arculus for security, and never share your private keys. Also, keep an eye on gas fees, they can add up. That's it for this walkthrough. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.